So now that we've done the techniques to allow the shifting to occur and to reprogram your subconscious mind and to reprogram you and prepare you for your desired reality, now it's about letting go, being detached, and just emerging into your new reality. Now, if things haven't changed despite trying reality shifting, there are some reasons why you might feel stuck. And we're going to go through those now. And then we're going to do a clearing of them so that these issues won't bother you anymore, or they'll start to fade until they do not bother you anymore, would be a more appropriate thing to say. So the first thing it would be limiting beliefs or doubt, subconscious resistance, and there's also societal conditioning. So subconscious resistance and societal conditioning could cause you to have limiting beliefs or doubts. So if deep down you don't truly believe shifting is possible, or you doubt your ability to do it, your subconscious mind could be blocking the shift. And then if we are conditioned to see reality as fixed, as we have been in this reality and in our lives, right, it will make it hard to accept the fluidity of shifting between timelines, and that we can impact and manifest change may not be something that society has prepared us for, conditioned us for. So we may have blocks for that. And that's what we would work on now. So that's the first one, limiting beliefs or doubts. The second one would be attachment to the current reality. Sometimes we're really emotionally attached, or we're just in our comfort zone. For emotional attachments, the strong ties to people, situations, or outcomes in your current reality can anchor you here, preventing a full transition to your desired reality. Why are you still experiencing the problem? Because you are emotionally attached to it. It's relating to the people in your life the same way. You don't really want that part to change, but you just want your reality to change without it actually making an impact on yourself or the people around you, and that might be impossible, so you've blocked yourself. Yeah. And then there's the comfort zone. Even if your desired reality seems more desirable to you, the familiarity of your current reality might subconsciously just feel safer or better or like less work for you. So you've blocked yourself. Okay. And then there's energy misalignment. Sometimes you could be low vibration. So if you're feeling low energy or anxious or fearful, your vibration may not align with that of your desired reality, making shifting difficult. And then there's unresolved emotional blocks. You may have traumas or negative emotions or unresolved feelings, and that can create energetic barriers that prevent you from accessing higher vibrational states that you'll need to shift. So you have to let go of that emotional baggage and deal with that so that you can go into your new reality and you can emerge into your new reality, right? And then there might be unclear intentions or visualizations. What if your intentions are vague goals? So if your vision is of your desired reality isn't specific, your mind may struggle to fully connect a life to it, right? Or if you have unclear visualizations, and sometimes visualizations can be challenging for you. And don't worry if that's the case for you. That's why the Yuen method helps, because we can help you that even if you're not visualizing it, you can still clearly state and know what it is you want, and you can feel it and know what reality you want to enter into, your desired reality, and we can shift you into that. Then another reason could be inconsistent practice or lack of focus. So you could have irregular practice and maybe you need more. So that could cause a block, as well as lack of focus during the techniques. What if your mind is wandering, so you're not doing it perfectly? I wouldn't worry about this too much, but you can try to see if you can make it you could focus a little bit more. So you just keep practicing and so on. These reasons you don't have to worry too much about the irregular practice or lack of focus when you combine it with the Yuen method. That's the beauty of doing this workshop with me, is that I will help you that even if you're having a hard time focusing, and even if you're hard time being specific or visualizing or doing regular practice, the Yuen method can help to get you to your desired reality faster. Then it might be that you're just trying too hard. And it might be that you have unrealistic expectations. And it might be that you're not prepared for this new reality or grounded properly, right? And there might be some psychological or emotional need for your current reality. Sometimes you have to do some more inner work. Sometimes there are lessons or experiences that need to be processed in the current reality before you can shift. So you have to learn that lesson first. Or the psychological safety. Sometimes your mind is resisting shifting if it senses there's some unresolved needs or traumas that must be addressed first. But don't worry, these things are usually easily resolved once we can just identify what they are and we can shift you out of it. All right. So how to move forward? Well, you want to strengthen your belief, and using affirmations will help you. And we want to clear those energy blocks. We want to raise your vibration. We want to help you to refine your visualization. And we want to help you to stay consistent, and that you just are strong and you surrender to the outcome so that you will allow the shifts to happen, right? So here are some Yuen method commands to help you to shift out of being stuck if one of these are your reasons why your reality isn't shifting. We can say, strengthen to releasing all subconscious resistance and doubts about shifting, clearing all beliefs that making shifting seem impossible. Strengthen openness to new possibilities and release social conditioning that reality is fixed. And we can say, strengthen to releasing all emotional attachments and cords that keep me anchored in my current reality, clearing fear of leaving my comfort zone and allowing for full alignment with my desired reality. And strengthen my energy and vibration to match that of my desired reality, releasing any low energy states, anxiety or fear, clear unresolved emotional blocks, traumas, and negativity that create resistance to shifting. And then we can say, strengthen to clear all vague intentions and unclear visualizations, aligning my mind with a vivid, specific picture of my desired reality. Strengthen clarity in my mind and make my vision of my desired reality fully accessible and vivid. And then strengthen my commitment and consistency in my shifting practice, clearing any distractions or lack of focus. Strengthen my ability to stay fully present during shifting attempts and creating the momentum needed for successful shifts. Awesome. And we still have a couple more. Strengthen to release all tension and need to force or control the shifting process, clearing attachment to outcomes. Strengthen relaxation and allow the shift to happen naturally with a calm, surrendered mindset. And strengthen to release all unrealistic expectations about shifting, clearing attachment to instant results. Strengthen awareness of subtle shifts, synchronicities, and changes in mood as signs of progress. Strengthen my grounding and prepare my energy for shifting. Clear all instability in my desired reality and strengthen my ability to stay grounded and fully connected to my desired reality even after shifting. Strengthen my inner resilience and clear any psychological or emotional needs keeping me in my current reality. Release unresolved traumas or experiences that create a need for psychological safety in current reality, and strengthen readiness for the desired reality. These are really powerful. And finally, strengthen my belief, energy, and mindset to align fully with my desired reality. Clear any remaining resistance, doubt, or attachment to the current reality, and strengthen the connection to my desired reality with ease and confidence. All right, that was amazing. But we're going to go again, and we're going to go a little bit simpler this time. All right. We want to clear all doubts and beliefs that make shifting seem impossible. Strengthen my openness to new possibilities. Release attachments to my current reality and clear any fear of leaving my comfort zone. Raise my energy to match my desired reality and clear all negative emotions and low energy states. Make my vision of my desired reality clear and specific, strengthening my focus on it. Strengthen my commitment to my shifting practice and clear distractions. Improve my focus. Release the need to control the shifting process. Strengthen my relaxation and trust. Clear unrealistic expectations of instant results. Strengthen my awareness of small signs of progress, so you notice change. Strengthen my grounding and clear any instability in my desired reality. Help me stay connected and balanced. Clear any unresolved emotions or needs in my current reality. Strengthen my readiness for my desired reality. Align my beliefs, energy, and focus with my current reality. Clear any remaining resistance or attachment to my current reality. Align my belief, energy, and focus with my current reality. Clear any remaining resistance or attachment to my current reality. So again, let's just go through those shifts again, make it even simpler. We're clearing all doubts about shifting, and we're strengthening belief. We're releasing attachment to my current reality. Raise my energy to match my desired reality. Strengthen clear focus on my desired reality. Strengthen my commitment and focus. Release the need to control. Release the need to be in charge. Strengthen trust and relaxation. Clear expectations of instant results. Strengthen awareness of progress. Strengthen grounding and stability in my desired results. Clear unresolved needs in my current reality. Strengthen readiness for my desired reality. Align belief, energy, and focus with my desired reality. And then we just wanted to shift you to be strong. We want to delete all your weaknesses holding you back. And then we want to make you neutral to results, to outcomes, expectations. Because when we are neutral and untriggered and unbothered, with no expectations to outcomes, that's when the shifts are released so they can happen. So we surrender, we let go, and we trust. And we're neutral to the outcome. Awesome, awesome, awesome job. That was absolutely great. We looked at why you might still be stuck, and we cleared those blocks and we strengthened you. Amazing, amazing job, guys.